Ever feel like you're being pushed into a decision instead of actually learning? Knowing how to spot honest Gold IRA education can save you from high pressure sales. Many investors have encountered aggressive sales tactics when researching Gold IRA providers and wish for clear, straightforward education instead. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, testimonials show representatives who provide guidance without pressure, respecting customers' decisions. While these are examples from the guide, they demonstrate what ethical educational practices look like across the industry. When assessing providers, notice if staff explain options clearly without rushing. Your questions are answered fully and patiently. The company encourages informed decisions rather than just sales. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also includes the company integrity checklist, digital dollar report, and why precious metals. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how to recognize providers that prioritize transparent education. By focusing on education over pressure, you will be able to make confident, informed investment choices. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward confidently by showing how to identify providers who respect your investment decisions. You can find the link in the description.